The questionable day of Sunday, and the model's still not in great agreement. We'll take you through those in just a moment. Again, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. I'd kill myself if it was a sprint. We're under clear skies right now, or at least partly cloudy. Temperature's mild. We're in the 50s right now. A little bit of a coolness in the air, but also more humid. Humidity is coming back with the wind off of the Gulf, so temperatures in the 50s right now. May see a few locations farther north drop into the 40s overnight tonight, but I think those may be few and far between because the dew points, at least at their lowest right now, are in the mid upper 40s on the North Shore, but we have a southeasterly wind. So through the night, overnight, we will see gradually those dew points coming up. So that would prevent the temperatures from getting much colder than they are right now. And that southeasterly or easterly wind will stick with us over the next several days until a cold front moves through, and that isn't until Lundi Gras. We'll start to see increasing cloud cover overnight tonight, and that's going to be with us over the next couple of days. So we started to see the increasing moisture today, more cloudiness and warmer temperatures over the next few days. Really by Friday, we'll be in the mid 70s for an afternoon high. So evening temperatures, low 70s dropping into the upper 60s. So it will be milder night on Friday. Then we're looking at maybe spotty showers. That'd be a best description for Saturday, 20-30% with more rain coverage on Sunday. And we'll take you through the models in a moment. Rainy on early Lundi Gras morning and then dry for the rest of the day with temperatures falling. So you're going to be with us out at the riverfront. It's going to be chilly and breezy, and then we're looking at pretty chilly temperatures ushering in Mardi Gras Day. Here's what's going on. We've had that persistent upper troughing across the west coast, and eventually we get these little disturbances that kind of rotate around the trough, generally have been moving up and west and staying well away from us. However, we're going to see one coming out of the Pacific Northwest in the coming days, eventually moving westward or eastward to our west, and then start increasing our rain chances. So the system that is going to develop our rainfall has not yet developed, which is why the models are a bit all over the place. But here's kind of the consensus in thinking. This is the GFS. Saturday morning, heavy rainfall up to our north, or at least most of our rainfall to the north. What we're showing here, and I know it looks like it's rain everywhere, you got to look at the contoured colors. These lighter greens indicate more of the isolated rain coverage, 10-20% at most, 30, 50, 70% as you go farther north toward the front. So the rain that we're expecting based on the GFS for Saturday is fairly limited, 20-30%. Now as we get into Sunday, that front gets a little bit closer and we do start to see more of that 50, 60, maybe even 70% around southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Good news is the front sweeps on through early Lundi Gras morning, and then the rest of the day Monday is dry. Here's the Euro. Again, front placement about the same in both of the models. Heavier rainfall to our north through all day Saturday. Euro keeps us entirely dry. Then as we get into Sunday, start to see some showers developing on the North Shore, but maybe a better chance out west moving in late night. So both indicating maybe about a 50-60% chance, but the GFS and the Euro for our rain coverage on Sunday, completely different in time. GFS has it pretty much all day or much of the day, so basically through all of the parades, whereas the Euro indicates maybe more late night. So I'm rooting for the Euro to be the correct one as we watch this kind of progress and develop. Either way, rain coverage or rain totals will not be nearly what we saw. Remember, we were in excess of 7+ inches of rainfall on Saturday. We're looking at, on the whole, maybe a ½ inch to a ¼ of an inch of rainfall. So we are not talking about a huge amount of rainfall coming in on Sunday. Really, more than anything, is just to make for a kind of a nasty viewing for those parades. Saturday right now looking nice, and again tonight or tomorrow, Friday night, fine for the parades. Maybe increasing those rain chances early Monday as the front finally sweeps on through. Then pretty chilly. We'll be in the 40s to start the day.
Oh, goodness.